Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set the Samsung Galaxy S7 with Android 8.0.0 or Oreo back to factory. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to Apps. Now go to Settings, scroll down, and go to General Management. Now go to Reset and Factory Data Reset. Alright, so it says all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, and the decryption key for files on the SD card. You will not be able to use encrypted files on the SD card after you reset your device to factory defaults. And then it says you are currently signed in to the following accounts. And there's a list of all the accounts that you're signed into. Now scroll down. Alright, now you're going to click on Reset. Enter your password. Now for security reasons, I'm going to leave this part out of the video. So I'm going to enter my password and then click on Next. Alright, so once you click on Next, it says all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. You can restore SD card data using Smart Switch after the reset. Alright, so now you're going to click on Delete All. Alright, now you're going to enter your Samsung account password and then click on Confirm. It says Erasing. Now your phone might take a while to restart. Alright, now it says Starting Android. Installing applications. Auto update of time and date. Alright, so that's how you reset the Samsung Galaxy S7 with Android 8.0.0 or Oreo back to factory. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.